Hello guys, welcome back for another video. So reset my car. Today I'm going to show you how you can reset the tire pressure of a Toyota Yaris 2021. This is a hybrid model, and in this short video I'm going to show you how you can do it for yourself. I had a problem with this indicator over here popping up. We had a flat tire. It's repaired now and this is how you reset it. Turn or press the ignition on. Yes. Then find the vehicle settings over here by scrolling to the left or to the right. This one, press it, press OK and hold it to enter the sub menu. Then the TPWS setting, that's the tire pressure indicator. Press and hold it. Setting pressure. Press and hold it and set pressure, accept it, and wait for a few minutes and do a test drive, and you'll see that this indicator won't show up anymore. So once again, find vehicle settings, press OK and hold it, go down to the tire pressure settings area, press and hold it, setting pressure, press and hold it, and you'll see it starts blinking, and after it stops blinking, the new tire pressure is a reset. That was it for this video. I want to thank you for watching our videos. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. Give us a thumbs up if you like our videos, and hope to see you next time with another video. Stay safe, take care, bye bye.